moya ju lemole. Aba bore mi kese we movovo re. Osiri moya ju lemole. Aba bore mi kese we movovo re. Takele le bleta. Was so so when you fear I'm come on you kono jode we orene say Father, I disappear that you might appear. Do what man cannot do and take all the glory. In Jesus' mighty name I have prayed. If your voice is not borrowed, let me hear an amen like thunder. As you hear the sound of my voice, the God that founded Celestial Church, He will fight your battles. The battle you cannot see, this God will fight your battles. In the morning, He will fight your battles. In the afternoon, He will fight your battles. In the night, He will fight your battles. The devil is a liar. God is on your side. Wave your hands and shout, yeah! Sit down first. I want to preach to you briefly on what I call, if not God. If not God. Do you know that you are smiling today because of God? You wear good clothes. You're looking good. I like people who look good. Because one of the things that represent God is looking good, my dear. Look good. I woke up this morning in the hotel room. You've seen me say that before. I took my shower, got dressed. I wear this garment. I look mirror. I said, oh boy, you fine. You fine. Now God knows. If not God, there are people who look at you and they say good morning. In their mind, they are saying bad morning. There are people, as I speak with you now, only for you to talk good thing in your house, then they vex. Are you still with me? Some people, when they hear your child is getting married, they are angry. My child entered university, they vex. In fact, they are angry with testimonies you even talk in church. I was preaching in Celestial Church in Benin. It was a big program. The attendance was, if I can estimate it with my eye gauge, it's about within 1,500 to 2,000 crowd. Everybody was on white. Myself, I wear my own white. As I was standing, I just looked at everybody and I said, everybody is on white now. Now only God knows who get black belly. You know why I said so? Because we thought enemies were far, but today enemies has even entered the church. Your Christian brother will tell them your secret before you know. Port Harcourt market don't hear am. Christian brother. It is Christian brother that reports Christian brother to areas he will have trouble. Christian brother, if not God. If not God. Do you know that sometimes in life you live, God is guiding you through. He takes you every step of the way. Otherwise, there are people that are prepared to set trap for you. In Psalm 35, if you read verse 7, verse 8, and verse 9, you hear the psalmist say, for he said, I have done nothing wrong, and yet they dig a pit for me. I did nothing wrong. They did a bit and they made a snare for me. I've done nothing wrong. I did not offend them. David said in Psalm 55, if you read from verse 9, 10, 11, David said, if my enemy went far, now he do me this thing, I forbear him. I for evil wrong, but he paid me saying, now you, my brother, I answer the same surname with you. We wear the same garment. We hold our hand together. We go to church. We take Holy Communion together. Now you do me this kind of thing. The reason I am preaching this message is to show to you that when you see somebody celebrating, look at cake. If you check very well, not be the age now in mama they celebrate you. You take in mind, think back. The kind of things when you don't pass for life, if not God. So now God carry me rich like this, so if not God. Are you still with me? Yeah. Because there are people who will laugh with you. The same people who will tell you, sister, thank God. Say God give you to us. For this family, we thank God for your life every day. In fact, you are a gift to us. That same person will tell you this kind of thing. Go here waiting in the talk for your back when you are not there. The same person. Do you know, let me say this, it will make you laugh. Do you know that of a truth? If God open your eye to see the heart of the person when sit down here you for church, you will change your seat. Are you with me?
Yes.
If not God. So now God carry me like this. Now he take me this way I did so. That's why I told you, it's not the age she's celebrating. Her mind don't think many things. And he said, please, let me thank God. That's why we are here. If not God. There are people, even your own hair time, they make them vex. Only you tired, you work out your own. And I used to tell people, look, if you see somebody when they make yanga, no blame her. No blame her. You know why? Because it is possible, not even in heart, they make the yanga. Do you know that what you wear can change your movement? Now, because we need church, men of God, you know, some of these ladies you see some of them in choir, some of them are singing, even the psychedelic one that led the song just now. If you check life of some of the ladies, if not be sure, say they wear garments, tell them, say what kind of party they somewhere, and let them dress well. Then when they come out with the correct blouse and a fine skirt that has flares, and then they put a handbag that matches, and they wear a shoe that has heel. Only the shoe will get heel go change their movement.